This 2026 Heartland Prowler 1700BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Las Vegas, Nevada, 89121 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Las Vegas. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features a country linen interior, sleeps 5, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.